What's up, everybody, and welcome to Jeffrey Croom TV. We have a new product this week. Our product's called Animal Water. It's an imaginary product that's not been invented yet, nor is it sold anywhere. So you cannot find this product anywhere except from your kitchen sink. Animal Water comes in any container you decide to put it in. It will make you replicate the sound of any animal you are trying to replicate. Birds, deer, moose, cows, turkeys, humans, fish, anything you want to replicate, you can replicate with animal water. Just take a little swig of animal water. It's that easy, folks. That was our duck flavored water. You can also pick up our deer flavored water in your local nowhere, and it works the same way. You just take a little swig. It's that easy, folks. Animal water. Get it nowhere. Animal water is not sold in stores, nor is it invented yet. It is not real. It is not a real product. Please do not believe this advertisement.